Round the corner, not far away, Bing and you are baking today. Hello, Bing. Yep.
I love baking.
Yep, I love baking too, Bing. Yep, there we go. Here, try out different things and see what you can do. The more you roll, the thinner it gets.
Let's get more dough.
Sure.
Hello. Roll, roll, roll.
Have a go.
It's all gooey.
Here you are. See what you can do. Mm-hmm. Yep. That's a good one.
Oh, this is my favourite bit. There we go. You press down.
That's lovely. Ah, a heart.
Yay! I can't wait.
Oh, let's put these into the oven. Chicky Timer will tell us when they're ready. Can you keep an eye on the oven? Tap me when you know they're done.
And tell us when when the village Chicky timer.
Give me a tap when you hear Chicky Timer. I'll get them out. Oops! Stand back from the hot burny oven. They're smelling good. They're still a bit hot. I'll just pop them onto this rack to cool down.
Could we decorate them?
Sure. Oh. Ah, good. Take a look around.
One there, and one there, one there, and one there. Look what I did, Flop.
Ah, good.
One there, and one there, one there, and one there. Oh, carrots! Yay! I can't wait! These are lovely, Flop. Yay! Oh, a picture! Look! Hi! Look what we did!
Oh.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, let's bake again.
Sure.
Yay! I can't wait. Oh, I like that.
Indeed. That's lovely.
Oh, can we eat them?
Sure.
Eat them up.
Oh.
Oh, yummy, delicious. Thank you, Flop. Yum, 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 yum. Yay! I can't wait. Look what we did. Hi. Oh, picture. Look, look, look.
They do look good.